Hello and welcome to this new video, and in this video I will be covering what tools and extensions I use as a software developer which help me move faster with my developer experience and overall save me a lot of time. I will be covering all of the extension, all of the applications and all of the tools and shorts I use. So let's move on with the extension part first. So first of all, I have this extension called responsive viewer, as you can see here. This extension essentially allow you to scroll through multiple website at once. If I toggle this now, I think it won't work on this one, but I will go to my website, and if I click on this, yeah, as you can see, so I can simultaneously scroll multiple website, and I can also see the issues right now. See, on Pixel 7 Pro, my play button is going outside of this thing, of this Spotify widget, so I can fix it on this specific device. I will remove the overflow hidden here, and as you can see, I can simultaneously scroll different website and I can see the issues with them, so that it will be much faster for me to move faster with my developer experience. I can scroll simultaneously and I can also see how things are behaving on different mobile. All right, this is the first extension. Now for the next extension, it is what font. By the way, all of the link will be in the description, so go and check that out. The next extension is what font. Is basically allow, if I click on this and if I click on anywhere, I can see what font I was using. See, I'm using the single font even though. So yeah, I was using this Henken Grok Task font for my portfolio. So this basically allow you to check what font you were using. Move on to the next website and next extension, which is this Webalizer. It allow me to check what kind of tech stack a website made build of. So it sometimes help me out, like what exactly they have used. So if I click on this, I can see, oh, they were using Next.js, they have used Linux, they have used Lucid React Icon, they were hosting it on Vercel, they are using Shutzy and Redux and Tailwind CSS. So if I really want to check sometime that if some website is using what kind of technology and how can I rebuild, it's most probably used for reverse engineering and just for a basic overview of a website. So I use it for that purpose. Now move on to the next website, which is next extension, which is the image downloader. I barely use it, but sometimes it's really helpful for me to remove the clutter, and sometimes I also use it on Figma to download the images. So if I click on this, I can see all of the images in the portfolio, and I can download them as well. So this basically allow me with that. Also, it's allow me to copy pictures if there is a copy block on some portfolio or some website. Now let's move on to the next extension, which is JSON format. This extension, I cannot really show it to you as of now, but yeah, basically allow format your extension better and give you more better user experience when you are working on JSON on the front end side or getting an public API data from the front end. So this is how it works. It's self-explanatory, nothing much. Now let's move on to the next stuff, which is the apps I use. So the first app is cap.so. I used to use it. It's for video editing. So the video you are currently seeing on screen is shoot and record by Screen Studio, but I was most of the time using Cap as well. My previous project looks like, you can see this is how the video editing works and this is how the zoom work. So you can just go and check that out for your videos as well. It's a multi-platform and is available for all of the people, so you can use this Cap for video recording. And the next, which is my browser, it is called the Dia browser. I use this browser. It basically allow me to move faster sometimes if I just do Command E, or I can switch it to the floating window mode, which I most of the time use, something like this. Smaller window on every website, something like this. I will say, what's this website? Alright, so I've asked a question, it will analyze the website and it will tell me the answer. It really helps me out sometimes to, summarize. You can also see the use cases here. There are a lot of skill and stuff. Sometimes help me out writing a mail, sometimes help me out writing something or figuring out a word and stuff like that. So I use it for that purpose. Next is my my terminal, which is the Ghosty terminal I use. I can even show it to you, which looks something like this. It's on my another screen, so give me a second. All right, so it looks something like this. And this is the extension. I use multiple extensions in this as well. I use Oh My Jish as the my base terminal, and then on top of I use Ghosty for this. I use this theme morphism. I will probably drop the config if people are interested in using this. I have this auto fuzzy search and autocomplete as well in this thing. So if I just do P, then you can see the previous command. If I do B, bro is the alias for bunrun dev for myself. If I just do bro dash cook, it's bunrun build. So I have set some custom alias for my work, and I also use this terminal. It's pretty powerful for me and does my job. Alright, next is the thing I use Raycast. Raycast is the thing that most of the time helps me out. It's allow me to search faster in my MacBook. It have some pretty cool tools, like if I say pick color, and then if I will go and I can pick any color, so I will just go and I will pick this color. So I've copied this color, as you can see. So I have a lot of extension from the store as well. So if I go to store, and I have downloaded most of the popular extensions from here, like I have edit, kill, process, I have color picker. If you're on Windows, you can use the Microsoft Power Toys, which is I was using when I had Windows. So Microsoft Power Toys. This also allow you to have same features as Raycast, is actually having more features that Raycast also lack. The UI is almost there, almost similar to this one, but yeah, Raycast is, I guess, also available for Windows as well, so you can use this. I most of the time use kill process, color picker, and inbuilt Raycast stuff. Alright, move on to the next, which is the tracking stuff which I use. So I use this app called TickTick. I use TickTick for tracking all of the stuff, even making this video through YouTube. So I cannot show much or many stuff from there, but have a look. So basically allow me to track all of the stuff for my month, and I track all of the things. I don't really usually keep it like this. I keep it like this, so I can track my next day, I can track today, and how it's going. So there is this, if I go there, I think on web they don't really show the so we have this dot bar. It shows it have 1 hour of block for every single task, and we can assign a task. I have covered it in some other video, but yeah, this is the TickTick app which I use for tracking all of my stuff, all of the programming stuff, all of the learning stuff, all of journaling, all of client management, all of YouTube stuff. Everything is just there for me. I don't really use Notion because Notion have one limitation of notification, so I use this. Next is the code editor I am using these days is Z. I use Z because it doesn't really have any AI. It have one, but it costs me a lot of money, so I not even logged in. And also it's open source, so I can remove the AI part. It's pretty simple, straightforward, and is not that hardly pushing the AI stuff in it. So I use it for learning Go, and whenever I'm learning something, so I use this editor because it saves me a lot of time. I use cursor when I am working on some web app, or whenever I want ship a lot of things, then I use cursor so that I can ship a lot of things faster because of the autocomplete or the agent mode or the ask mode. And that is all for I use. And another is the last thing, which is the Xcali Draw. I use this for shooting videos, making architecture, and you can see I do a lot of thing here and there going around. So this is for I use. Even the front end part to how to front end part to video is also shot from this Xcali Draw only. So kind of a backbone for all of my ideas, all of my brainstorming. So these are the all of the tools, extensions, and apps I use on a daily basis, which saves me a lot of time. I will drop all of the tools and its link in the description. You can check that out. I missed the bun tool, which is the Colorzilla extension. This also does the same thing as pick color, but yeah, at the end you can use it and use it as extension. I have installed it just now before shooting the video because I got to know I am not using it. So yeah, that is all for today video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.